Hi, Hamish Conway here from Sell Global, coming to you from Melbourne on a Friday afternoon at the time of recording this, where things are pumping across the river there. And now look, people ask me, look, should I start in America? Am I ready for selling my products in America? And the answer is, it depends. Like, you really need to do the research. That is really what you've got to do. And you've got to research in three key areas. First of all, you've got to research the competition. Like, is it saturated or is there an opportunity there? How can you compete? You've got to look at your point of difference. Can you actually go there and win? It's a big market, competitive. So what's your point of difference that's going to have you win? Linked to that is the demand. Is there actually demand for what you're selling, or is it too obscure? Then you want to look at the compliance side of things. Is it is your product going to have certain FDA regulations, for example, that will mean you need new labeling and other compliance considerations to consider, or children products that you need to look out for that certification, just so you don't get in trouble when it lands in America and or if something goes wrong. So you've got to look at the compliance, and also compliance around just packaging. Is it going to work for shipping into Amazon fulfillment centers? Then you've got to look at the money, look at the costs. Is this actually going to make you money, and where does your price point need to be to have the margins be worthwhile? So it's not just a clear-cut answer, and it might be in your business that you've got some products that are absolutely suited to Amazon and others that are not when it comes to America, because you really do want to be using the Fulfilled by Amazon approach, so your products need to really fit that model to make it work. But my goodness, you get it working well, it is the best way to enter the US market. It is by far the fastest and the cheapest way of doing that, and you get real feedback from the market in terms of what they'll pay, the reviews, and you get to see how you compete against the competition. And that can be a fantastic step into the US market and getting noticed by distributors, for example. So, are you ready? You need to contact us to find out, or just keep on following us and you'll learn more about your readiness for your brand and for your products for the Amazon platform in America. All the very best.